everybody, welcome back to my channel and my latest video, which is a realistic evening routine of a tired, burnt out mum. This was filmed during the school holidays, which is why I was so exhausted. Also, I've been having so many questions about this little device here. This is the Amiro R3. I've used it on my Instagram and people have been asking what it is, so I'm going to share that with you later in the video. We were out this afternoon and got home basically at dinner time, so I drove through McDonald's and got a couple of Happy Meals for the boys. It's a lazy option for me, but it's an absolute treat for them. They were very excited about it. I try not to feel guilty about it and remember that they love it when they're allowed at McDonald's, and I'm allowed a break as well, especially during the school holidays. So they're just going to sit, watch some cartoons and enjoy their Happy Meals together. Next, I need to feed the cat, who is doing so much better, by the way. Have you ever noticed that we feed absolutely everybody else before we think about feeding ourselves? Because I've noticed. But I'm going to give the cat her dinner and make sure that she eats that. I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up while the boys are sat down eating. As I said, we've been out all afternoon, so I've just walked into like the mess that was created earlier today before we went out. I didn't have a chance to tidy up, so I'm just going to have a little bit of a whip around while the boys are occupied and sat on chairs. School holidays can be hard, let's not lie. Like, I love my kids more than anything. I just dropped that burger, by the way. But oh my goodness, solo parenting for 2 weeks, entertaining the boys every day for 2 weeks, like, it's really taken its toll. I'm just gonna do the dishes or the McDonald's version of doing the dishes. And Leo has asked to play Guess Who, really random, but after dinner he was like, please can we play Guess Who? I actually forgot we even had this, but he went up to his room and found it, and we sat and played Guess Who for a little while, which was cute actually. It was nice to sit together and do that while Cooper just sort of ran his buggy over us.
Hello.
Hello, darling.
Put those back. And it was Leo. What was yours?
The boys are just kind of playing together now, so I've snuck off to the laundry room and I'm going to just do a little bit of laundry, take out this dry laundry from the tumble dryer and pile that all up ready to go upstairs. Before I know it, it's 6 o'clock and I've come upstairs to run the bath, walked into the bathroom and it's just a mess with toys and towels everywhere from yesterday, so that's great, but I haven't got time to deal with that now. I'm just going to move everything out of the way and run a fresh bath for the boys for tonight. I'm also running out of bubbles, so had the last dregs of what was inside of that bottle, and I will add that to the shopping list. I'm going to shout for the boys and I'm going to get them in the bath. I also make sure my toddler goes to the toilet before he gets in the bath for obvious reasons. Giraffe? No. You do it then. No. It's Susie! But actually I love it when the boys are in the bath. The chaos of the evening just sort of calms and you just sit there and be silly together and chat together, and I do love bath time. Before they get out of the bath, I'm just going to lay out their pyjamas, ready for them to put on, and I will just make all their bedrooms nice and cozy, drawing all the blinds and the curtains, turning on night lights, and making the bedrooms ready for bedtime. My son has requested to go and watch the projector in the guest bedroom after bath time, which they like to do sometimes. So I've gone into the guest bedroom, I'm going to make it dark, I'm going to get the bed ready for the boys, turn on the projector, and they can lie in here when they get out of the bath with their milk. It's something they like to do every now and then. I don't know why, but they think it's really cool. They're cozy in the bed, so I'm downstairs getting them milk. I'm going to make Cooper's milk warm, and my eldest, I mean, he's nearly 7, but he still loves a cup of milk after the bath with a little one of those milk straws with the flavoured beads inside. He loves it, and my little one obviously still loves warm milk. And there you have it, 2 happy little boys snuggled up in the guest bedroom of all places with the cat and some milk. I'm actually going to take a leaf out of their book and I'm going to get my pyjamas on as well, because it's been a long day out entertaining the boys and I cannot wait to get my pyjamas on. So there we go. I'm going to get them on and get into cozy mode. We've come back downstairs and I remembered I'd never finished the laundry that I'd started earlier. So I need to take out this wet laundry and put it into the tumble dryer or hang it up on the rack, depending on what it is. So I'm just going to spend 5 minutes doing this. And before you know it, it is 7 o'clock and time for my youngest to go to bed. He is going to pick himself a book for his bedtime story. We're going to sit together, have a snuggle and read a story before he goes to bed. Okay, dear Zoo, they sent me a elephant. There you go.
Thank you.
I love you. So much. Night-night. Back downstairs, my eldest has requested that we watch Jurassic Park together. He loves to have alone time with me after his brother goes to bed, and it is the school holidays, so we're going to sit and watch a bit of Jurassic Park together before he has to go to bed. I also actually remembered that I haven't eaten, so I put some pasta on quickly, and I'm going to just sit and have some pasta with my little boy and watch Jurassic Park. Okay, so it's about 8 o'clock now. He has gone to bed and I am getting my cozy station ready. I've got drinks, I've got snacks, I've got the monitor, and I have got my Amiro. Guys, this is the gift set for the Amiro R3 Turbo Facial Skin Tightening Device. How stunning is this gift box? Not only does it have the R3 device, but it has so much extra cleansers and gel masks and face masks and chin masks and eye masks and everything you need for the pamper evening of dreams. But this is the R3. With this genius device, you can instantly tighten and lift your face while reducing excess baby fat. You can even define your jawline. But this evening, I'm going to target my under eye bags and my dark circles. I'm going to put on these collagen patches and put the eye mask over the top, which felt so refreshing, especially with the collagen patches. And here is the R3. I'm going to put it onto the correct setting for under eyes, which is so easy to do just with the push of a button. And then I just sit there and do a gentle back and forth motion on my eye bags, and it uses its magic tightening powers to work on my teardrops and my dark circles and brighten my under eye area, which, my goodness, needs some work after this school holiday, let me tell you. Seeing as we're having a proper pamper evening, I'm also going to do the neck and jawline, which is super similar. You have this very refreshing mask that goes over your jawline like so, and I use the R3 on the other setting, and I just work up my jawline. I can literally feel the pulsing and tightening on the device. It's a really funny sensation and actually so satisfying when you think that it's just tightening your skin right in front of you. It only takes a few minutes, so I just sat and enjoyed my show and enjoyed my pamper, and then it was time to take off the masks. This is my before and after just from a couple of weeks of using Amiro. My dark circles and my troughs are definitely tightened, brightened and lifted, and I'm loving using my new best friend, the R3 by Amiro, for my evening pampers, especially on these busy days when I really need it. Guys, you can use my code POLLY and click the link in the description box to get $50 or about £40 if you're from the UK off the R3 Turbo Limited Edition gift set.